Top Chattanooga neighborhoods for first-time buyers. Are you ready to find the perfect home in Chattanooga? Let us show you the best neighborhoods tailored to first-time buyers. Lile's Edition. Located in Chattanooga's East Brainerd, Lile's Edition is close to medical offices, businesses, shopping, and restaurants. Developed in the 1950s and 1960s, you will find single-story California ranch-style homes that sit on spacious half-acre lots. Rolling Meadows. Located in Ringgold, Georgia, just a short commute from Chattanooga. Rolling Meadows combines affordability with small-town warmth. Built in the 1990s, these homes boast modern conveniences like central air, durable siding, two-car garages, and bonus rooms. Many properties also include basements, offering extra space for growing families, and zoned for highly sought-after heritage schools. Harvest Run and McNabb Edition. For those who crave space and proximity to outdoor activities, Harvest Run and McNabb Edition in Harrison are standout choices. This neighborhood offers larger homes, averaging around 2,000 square feet. These homes typically offer 3 to 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, offering lots of space. Red Bank. Situated close to Chattanooga's vibrant Northshore and downtown, Red Bank offers an eclectic mix of history and modern. 4 excellent neighborhoods in Red Bank for first-time buyers include R.T. Ford, Signal Hills Edition, J.S. Bell's Edition, and Thompson and Carter Edition. Though the competition for the homes here is fierce, Red Bank remains a perennial favorite with its location and variety. Hamilton on Hunter. Located on the west side of Ooltewah, Hamilton on Hunter offers the perfect blend of affordability and functionality. The common split-level homes from the 1990s and early 2000s include 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, bonus rooms, and 2-car garages, offering an extra space for your family needs. 3 reasons these neighborhoods are ideal for first-time buyers. Number 1. Affordability. With home prices ranging from $225,000 to $415,000, there's something for every budget. Number 2. Lifestyle. Whether you value great schools, lake access, or proximity to downtown, Chattanooga's neighborhoods have you covered. Number 3. Community appeal. Imagine a place where neighbors become friends, kids play freely, and families grow together. Ready to find your dream home? Contact J. Hudson Homes. Our team of experts is here to guide you every step of the way.